How to schedule tasks in Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to schedule tasks on Facebook so in order to schedule a task for Facebook by using a scheduling feature with a Meta Business Suite or directly by creating a scheduling on a post or a group, you could do this from the Facebook Meta Business Suite as well. So what you could do is actually you could simply open the Facebook app. Make sure that you have a professional account. So you need to use a Meta Business Suite for your Facebook account. You could then go ahead and select the page or group you want to schedule for and then click on the create post button. So basically the interface will look similar. So all you have to do is just tap on the what's on your mind section, and when you do this you have to go ahead and click on the photos or video section, and then go ahead and post it so or select it, and accordingly go ahead and make schedule when you are done with that. So let's say this is the one, and when you're about to post it you could find these um, scheduled task in the Facebook bar. You could then go ahead and enable it, or you could just go ahead and adjust it. So this way you'll be able to schedule task in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.